videocast.
You are watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Wednesday after Fed officials indicated it would be probably continue with an ultra-loose monetary policy until 2016. The greenback ended the day at 1.2734 to the euro and 80.24 to the yen. Today's data include consumer price index for October, which is expected to rise by basis point to 2.1%. Next to the euro. The euro strengthened on Wednesday as it continued to be supported by the follow-through buyings on the renewed hopes that Greece will receive a lump sum bailout payments of 44 billion. The euro ended the day at 102.18 to the yen and 0.8039 to the pound. Today's data include Eurozone's third quarter gross domestic price, which is expected to fall by negative 0.6%. Eurozone's consumer price index is also scheduled for release and expected to give a 2.5% print. British pound. The pound continued to weaken substantially on Wednesday following a Dow-based report from the Bank of England, which left the door open to more asset purchases. The sterling ended the day at 1.5840 to the dollar and 127.09 to the yen. Today's data include retail sales year-to-year in October, which are expected to show a fall to 2.1%. Japanese yen. The yen fell heavily in almost all pairs on Wednesday after expectations of more quantitative easings, with the elections on the horizons and the leading party in favor of unlimited yen's printing. The Japanese currency ended the day at 80.24 to the dollar and 102.18 to the euro. And now the sections you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.2705. We target at 1.2775 and 1.279 in extensions. Below 1.2705, which we look for further downside with 1.2675 and 1.2655 as targets. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.588. We target at 1.583 and 1.5815 in extensions. Above 1.588, which we look for further upside with 1.5915 and 1.5965 as targets. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 80.3 with targets at 81 and 81.4 in extensions. Below 80.3, which will look for further downside with 80.05 and 79.75 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.